What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we've got this microfiber spray mop that has arrived, and we're going to be unboxing and we're going to be looking at this specific product. Up top you have the branding, microfiber spray mop, cleans multiple surfaces, sealed hardwood floors, 2-in-1 wet-dry microfiber mop with reliable spray bottle and washable microfiber pads, 2-in-1. On here you have all the the directions of installation. The kit includes hardwood floor spray mop, washable microfiber cleaning, and it says this is pretty much vinyl hardwood laminate tiles supported all across. Spray mop, and UK representation is Evertos Consulting and EU representation is EWAT Master Consulting Limited. So yeah, let's open it up and see what we have inside. Alright, there we are. So more instructions over here, and inside we have a pretty cool looking set of, in fact, microfiber cloth, 4 of them, 4 units, 1 dark blue, 2 dark blue rather, and then you've got these 2 light blue ones. You've got the extension rod, which has these firm bristles, as you can see there, and then you have the base, which connects to the mop. You have the handle, and you have the spray mop thingy, and then there is the assembly instruction manual. So you pop the first step, you basically pop this this container and then attach the top part. There's this this little knob that should or the pin that should basically go in to the handle, and it will be upright, all ready to go. So yeah, is there anything else in this instruction manual? Frequently asked questions. So yeah, alright, so let's have a look at this. First of all, this is the container where you pour in water. And how does this work? Maybe just press this button somewhere. Okay, so I've just worked this out. It's pretty straightforward. What you need to do is just press and hold. It's a plastic container. Press and hold, and what happens is basically, and this pops open. So this is your container, which you will then open and then access, pour in water, which obviously should not be hot, not hot or boiling, no oily, no highly corrosive liquids should be in here. So yeah, this is the container which you will then put in, and the spray basically comes in from here. You can see this little hole. So you press these buttons, these ones that are sort of attached to the top end, where you have this guy. Once this is on the connection, the spring, it's a spring load system basically. So once it's all connected, you just get the ability to press this, and then you can start to spray on the floor and then mop as you go. So yeah, that's pretty much what the operation is. So this is the container, and you would pour in your floor mopping liquid or whatever, the solution, the chemical rather, and then attach the 2 sticks together. I will show you that in a bit. But what I've also done is that I have attached the mop to the base. So this is the base, and this is how it will open. Now your mop would open up like this, and you would start to use this in this direction, but it will also twist and turn if you were to go sideways, this way, and forward and backward. This is how it's going to work, and then the rest of the assembly basically goes straight in, and you're ready to then go. So first up we have this guy. So that would be simple attachment there. Just needs to get in there. So you've got your first end connected, and now this is pretty much similar. And what you need to do is you need to just grab this handle, and this would then go on here, I suppose. Is there any function of this guy? I don't know. This is interesting. What's this one for? Okay, I'm not sure. This is just an extension, so I'm going to just use it as an extension for now. So like I said, this guy would need to be connected to the other end. So this end basically. So this end would attach just like that. You just press this button. Press the button, get in, and see that just now? Oh, where are we gone? Just a second. Yep, nearly there, and there you are. So as you can see, now this one's gone in. And then finally we have this guy at the top, which is going to use the same operation. Let me do it here. Oops. Pretty much the same operation there. And let me just turn it around. And now let's twist, press and push. There you are. So the mop is ready already. While I'm on the carpet, you have the mop up and running. As you can see, the mop is up and running. Right, so the mop is all ready to go. This is your mop, these are your extra mops, and I'm not sure what this is for, but this can easily be attached anywhere. I think it's just for cleaning, like when hair gets stuck on the mop, and obviously you can fill this up and then insert it here, and then you're ready to go, ready to sort of start to mop. And as I mentioned earlier, once you've got this all connected, it uses the spring loading system, so we'll start to then spray it on, and I can already see some water inside. As you can see here on the table, so it's coming out of this guy. So I'm not sure if it's been used previously or not, but maybe that was for testing. Yeah, this is pretty straightforward. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any questions or queries, please let me know. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.